Right guys, so here we are at the YouTuber village. So we are just gonna sit here and wait for the gates to open. Today it is Saturday. Fingers crossed we'll meet some of you guys, some of you fans. But we're in the YouTuber village. We're just waiting for the gates to open. And then there should be lots of people coming in. And we'll talk about the van. And later on we'll have to walk around the shop, see what's there, and record some of it. Anyway, I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Peace out. Right guys, so this is Nigel from A Biker's Tale. And basically I have some questions for you that I'm going to ask, and you're going to answer them on how your experience has been with it and stuff like that.
Well, I'm going to try and answer it. I don't know what you're going to answer.
Right. So, out of all the vans you've built, what would you consider our van? Like, out of 10?
Oh, from crumbs. I think when you look at the overall electric with your power packs and everything else, lithium batteries, you're far superior to anything that I would actually put in my van. In actual fact, I'm still considering what I'm actually going to put in my van. I've not bought my leisure battery yet, so I'm hoping that maybe you can give me some pointers on it, what I should be buying and what I shouldn't be buying. But no, I mean, it's just great to see so many different vans here at the Overland show. There's so many different ideas of how to do your own van build. You know, where you put your sink, where you put your bed, how you put your bed. And it's really great to see so many different ideas in one show. This is the first time I've actually come to the Overland show, which is up in Stratford-upon-Avon. If you've not been here before, I would suggest that you come here, have a good look around. You get to see like-minded people like Amelia here on her YouTube channel. Have you enjoyed the last couple of days here?
Yes, I have.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah, so I'm, you know, for me, it's been a really good day. I've only come here today. I'm actually a little bit sad that I'm going home today, because I think tonight it sounds as though you're going to have a bit of a blast, you know, around the campfire, a few beers. Obviously not for you, Amelia. You can have Coke or whatever it is that you drink. No, don't have that. That's too many E numbers. You'll get too hyperactive and you won't sleep at all. But yeah, no, it's great to see people like yourself, Martin, and Amelia around the show. Everybody is just so friendly, so open when it comes to talking about vans. I've not seen so many vans in one place, and it's just a great place to be. The wind's picking up a little bit, so if the sound quality is not perfect, you'll know why, because it's getting a bit blustery. It was a lovely sunny morning this morning, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But is there anything else you want? Anything else you want to ask me? Am I going to build another van?
How about his favourite part of the van build? So at your vans, which has been the favourite part?
Oh, crumbs. I think the favourite part, whilst doing the build itself, because it's my third one, I did actually say to my partner that I think I'm getting a bit old for building vans, because this one's really taken it out of me. I don't know whether that's because of working long hours, or whether it's because I'm actually keeping this one. So the favourite part about it is actually seeing the completion. When you actually open the sliding door, and then somebody says, wow, that looks really nice. And I think that's probably the favourite part of the build for me. I think the worst part of the build is the installation, and also cutting my hand this time, having 5 stitches, which is never a good thing. But yeah, I think so. Normally you're very talkative on your YouTube. I'm very disappointed. Are you tired? Okay.
Well, it's been very nice meeting you anyway.
And you.
Great. And hopefully we'll see you here next year.
Absolutely. I'm going to be here next year with the van. If it's not this one, it'll be another one. No, I definitely will be here with the van. It's something that we were discussing earlier on. It's just great to get away. I think with get out of the rat race and get yourself a van, convert yourself a van. It's a lot easier than what you think it is. And if you don't know certain parts about the build, there's like-minded people like yourself who can help along the way. Just go on YouTube, because YouTube is an absolute fantastic source of information when it comes to wiring your van. I mean, I'm not an electrician, I'm not a chippy, I'm actually just a standard guy. I'm a senior national accounts manager for an outdoor clothing brand. No advertising. And yeah, and it's just something that I wanted to do. And this is, like I said, the third van I've done. And it'd be great to bring it here next year and share my design and my work that I've done over the last couple of years.
Okay.
Cheers.
Anything else, Amelia?
No.
No. Okay.
Cheers, guys.
Right guys, so here we are at the International CAMPERVAN show. Let's have a quick look around. So today's Saturday, so there should be a bit more stands and people that are open. So let's have a look around, shall we?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
Well, you're all wonderful. I'll just have to shag you all.
Pick me.
I'm not. Candles. Oh, wow. I spun around the sun another time. Something. Thanks, guys. What is this for one-upmanship here? Look at that, it's just showing right off. That.
Right guys, so that is the end of the festival. This was a really nice festival. This is in late summer. I'm looking forward to the next one in summer. This is a really nice festival. And guys, we are trying to raise the roof here. So if you guys want to try and help us out, please go to super thanks down below to help us get a hard roof on the top so we can stand up a bit. And also remember to like, subscribe and press the notification button. And if you guys want to comment, that's fine too. Peace out guys. Right guys, so we are just on the way back from the International CAMPERVAN and Overlander show. So we just thought we would make a quick stop at the Diddley Scott farm, because why not? Jeremy, you owe some money. Right guys, and here's the man himself, only joking.